Hey guys, it's Shane here with BrickDriven Realty, and today we're going to tackle that topic: how do I prepare my home for showings? While we're still in a strong seller's market, there is a widening gap between homes that are ready for the market and those that aren't. If you want your home to be a winner on the open market, you probably need to make your home as ready and attractive to buyers as possible. It's proven that the more showings you have, the more likely you are to have a faster sale and net a higher price. That's why today I'm going to be sharing 3 ways you can get your house ready for showings. First, take care of minor repairs up front. Right now, buyers' number one concern is high interest rates and affordability. As a result, they want to put as much money down as they possibly can to lower their monthly payments. This means that taking care of cosmetic repairs up front is a good idea even in a normal market, but higher interest rates mean this step is more important now than ever. Do some staging. This is about an ideal model home. It's clean, standardized, and impersonal. Your goal should be to get as close to that image as possible. Your home likely has a lot of personalized touches like odd furniture, family photos, or maybe even an off-colored wall. I recommend trying to depersonalize your home as much as possible so prospective buyers can picture themselves living in this property. Plus, by packing everything away, you'll make moving easier once you sell your home. Next, let's have a plan for children and pets. Your showings probably won't go smoothly if your dog or young children are running around. We all got them. Instead, work with your agent to create a showing schedule with blocks of time when your home is ready for buyers. This way, you and your buyers won't be disrupted. I recommend putting dogs in kennels just for the short time when you'll be having showings. While moving your pets around might be a little work, it's worth it to keep your house in pristine condition when buyers are viewing it. So if you want a detailed showing plan or a list of repairs to make your home perfect and listing ready, market ready, please give myself a call or any of our agents here at BrickDriven Realty. I'd love to help you navigate this housing market, or one of our agents and teams would love to help you do the same. In the meantime, please smash that subscribe button, hit that like button, and if there's anyone out there that might can see value in this video, please be sure to share that with them. We'd greatly appreciate it. And in the meantime, like always, stay tuned for more videos here in the near future because we're working on some really good content coming up for this fall. Take care.